big white candle. Now, a big white candle is like this. It has an unusually long white or a green body with a wide range between high and low. So it's a complete wide range. It's that day when you hear the company has, like, let's say Apple has gone 2% up, 4% up, 3% up. So it's like good candle in percentages. That's what a big white or green candle is. Now don't confuse white or green. They are the same thing. Now prices open near the low and closes near the high. That's what classify as a big white candle. It is a reversal pattern and is considered to be a bullish pattern. If you see this candle, remember, it's a bullish market. Everyone is a buyer in it. So don't short sell when you see this. And if you are already in short selling, get out. It is found on the low mark, then it is a reversal pattern. Now what do I mean by low mark? I mean a bearish market. If, let's say, market is falling, and then you see a big white green candle, then remember, the fall is a past. It is now gone. The bearish part is gone. Bullish game is now the game in town. If you see a big white candle on the low mark. Now we will discuss big white candle on chart. Hi guys, today we will discuss big white candle or big white body candle. Now this is the one. Now usually whenever this happens, it usually means that the trend is like in full run. It's bullish, and as you can see from here, Apple went from 163.05 till 176. So it's like represents the full bull run once it happens on the lower side. Now this is again a like the same stuff, big white candle, and you can see it opened lower the next day, but eventually it went up. So it tells you that this is like the bull run. Now what does the like big white candle means? It means that the power is like huge in it. Example, the open on this candle is 159, whereas the close on this candle is 163.05, which means it's a $4 candle. Now don't like think if some candle is of $4 then it's a big white candle. No, it's not. The basic assumption is to look on the chart on the whole. Now in this chart you can see from May till December, so that's 6-7 months. Now if you look at it, this is a big candle, this is a big white candle, and that's it. These are like huge. You can't find anything that much huge. So that's how you will understand that this is a big white candle. That's like the basic presumption. Once you're looking on the whole chart, you'll find these candles to be exponentially higher than others. So that's what makes them special. Thank you.